Good evening. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creator. Now's content for Class 10, CBSE, ICSE and other course. Topic Fertilization, Unit Reproductive Systems. What is fertilization? Fertilization is the process of fusion a male gamete with a female gamete to form a single cell diploid cells called a zygote. Sperm, that is male gamete, motile, microscopic and produce a large number of the testes. Ovum, that is female gamete, it is non-motile, larger and released one at a time by the ovaries every month. That is called ovulation. Next, important fact, in humans, fertilization is internal because it takes place inside the female reproductive tract. Next, the site of fertilization. A very common one-word question in the board exam is the exact location of the fertilization happens. Fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube. Next, step-by-step process of fertilization and implantation. The sequence of events must occur in precise order for a successful pregnancy. That is, ovulation is the first step. The ovary releases a mature egg into the fallopian tube. This happens roughly once every 28 days. Next, entry of the sperm. That is step 2. During mating, millions of sperms are deposited into vagina. They swim upward through the cervix and uterus into the fertilization tube. Next, step 3 is fusion. Only one single sperm succeeds in penetrating the outer layer of the egg. The nuclei of the sperm and egg fuse together in a fallopian tube to form a zygote. Next, cleavage and division. This is the step 4. The single cell zygote starts dividing rapidly by mitosis as it moves down toward the uterus. It forms a solid ball of cells called a morula, which develop into a hollow ball called blastocyst. Next, step 5 is implantation. The dividing embryo attaches itself and gets embedded into the thick inner lining of the uterus, that is endometrium. The embedding is called implantation, marking the beginning of pregnancy. Next, step 4 is post-fertilization development and the placenta. Once implantation is successful, the embryo begins to grow into a fetus. Two major features of remember for exams are the placenta. The placenta is a special disc-like structure that develops between the uterine wall and the embryo. It is the life support system for the growing fetus. Structure, it has villi on the embryo side to increase the surface area for absorption. Next, on the mother sides are blood spaces that surrounds the villi. Next, function, nutrition. It transfers glucose, amino acids and other essential nutrients from the mother's blood to the embryo. Respiration, it supplies the oxygen to the embryo and removes the carbon dioxide. Excretion, it removes nitrogenous waste generated by the embryo by transferring it to the mother's blood. Next, gestation period. The total time of the fertilization to the birth of the baby is called gestation period. In humans, the last approximately 9 months are about 20 days. The birth of the child occurs due to the rhythmic contraction of the muscles in the uterine wall. Next, what happens if the egg is not fertilized? If the sperm does not fertilize the egg, the body prepares to reset the cycle through menstruation. The thick, nourishing uterus lining is no longer needed. The lining slowly breaks down along with its blood vessels, mucus, etc. This blood, mucus, and the unfertilized eggs are discharged out of the body through the vagina. The cycle spreads roughly every 28 days and lasts for about 3 to 5 days. Now the topic has ended.